Okay, let me preface this review of the Petro, this latest Petro I'm at, which is in Minnesota, with this this whole place deserves a 5 star, but I'll get to that. This is a awesome, awesome Petro. I wish all truck stops were like this. And like I said, I'm at a very nice Petro in Minnesota. It's nice to be at a nice truck stop. They even have a tavern here. Yes, a tavern. They're speaking the language of my people. I may have stopped there last night, but I'm not telling. So this is too cool. I think I'm just going to film it like this in portrait mode, just because I can cut it up and make short videos out of it. But this is the Petro station from the car side, as opposed to the truck side. Here's the tavern from the inside. I think this calls for breakfast. So this is one of the nicer, if not the nicest Petro I've seen in years. It's huge. It's got everything. Go this way. Even the outside, the parking area, the lot is really nice. Really nice. I mean, I don't know if you could imagine a truck stop having everything under the sun in it for sale, but it pretty much does. Goodness, I know I'm zipping through fast. Hope I don't make you all dizzy, but I want to do a real quick overview of it before I go have some breakfast at the tavern. And check it out. I mean, shoot. I only got the back of you as I was sweeping by. I don't get any faces if people don't want in it. This has got everything, man. This is nice. What do we got here in the soup pots? Ah, got sloppy Joe mix, chuck wagon chili, chicken with wild rice, if that's what I wanted to eat from their, I don't know what you call it. All right. See, they got Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, McDonald's. Well, I'm going to the tavern. This has got something for everyone. Looks like a big time tourist spot as well. Let's go back over to the tavern. Goodness. Goodness. Okay. Where am I headed? Where am I going? Right there. I can zoom in on that. That's where I'm going. So breakfast all day is calling my name. So I ordered the biscuits and gravy and eggs. If you can see it, it's right there. Yep. I was going to get an omelet, Denver omelet, but that might be a little too much. Self-serve beverage bar is really nice. Now back to breakfast. Take a picture of my breakfast. So I ordered myself a coffee, or actually I filled it up at the coffee bar, and then I found this caribou coffee island in the middle of the store. I should have waited. Dude wipes. That's funny. So The Skull Tavern, that kitchen, that grill and tavern, that I forgot what it's called. I'll look it up, post it here. But I'm tempted to demote it by 1 star because it was 5 stars. But the woman running the place this morning is just rude. Twice I started to talk to her about something very briefly, and she turned around and walked away while sort of, acknowledging that I was saying things, but at the same time walking away while I'm trying to have a conversation. That's definitely going in the review. And if it weren't for just the absolute wonderfulness of that place, I would have knocked it down to 2 or 3 stars just because of her. But I'm going to give it 4, and that's a shame because it deserves a 5. Parking lot, as usual, for Petro is very big, but most Petros are. That's the one good thing about them. The other good thing about this Petro is it's being kept really clean.
So one thing I actually learned in the trucker
stuff
services and parts
just recently
from
got
the lady
thrown
behind
down,
the counter was
but for the most
that
part
this
it's very
Petro
clean
is privately owned and
organized.
Is meticulously cared for or taken care of by the owner. I have to agree. This is one of the nicest Petros and nicest truck stops I've been to since I've been back over the road. I hope to find more because I love giving positive reviews, even though it's not always possible. Welcome to my channel. Exit 61 out.